Summer arrives and your expensive lettuce wilts and burns alive under the punishing sun. You obediently march back to the supermarket, paying a premium for bruised greens that traveled thousands of miles in refrigerated trucks. It is completely absurd that we rely on such weak plants. We have been conditioned to believe that growing fresh food during the blistering heat of summer is impossible without expensive shade cloths or massive irrigation systems. But there is a brutal truth that has been actively suppressed by the modern food industry. There is a miraculous plant that defies the harshest summer climates on Earth. When temperatures hit triple digits and the air feels like an oven, this plant does not wither. It explodes with aggressive growth. No premium soil is required. No complicated watering schedules are needed. With a simple 5-minute setup, as you see here, this nutritional money machine will hand you an infinite self-renewing supply of crisp, fresh greens. This is the secret to true food independence. It is a secret the multi-billion-dollar agricultural industry desperately wants to keep buried forever. They want you dependent on their fragile crops. They want you swiping your credit card every single week for these fading vegetables in the store that offer a mere fraction of the nutrition. This is what you actually need to thrive and grow. Today we are going to expose the lie, the total lie of summer scarcity in our world. We are going to look at a biological anomaly that actually uses intense solar radiation as fuel. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn a cheap plastic bucket into an unstoppable food factory that climbs your walls and feeds your family until winter. Welcome back to our channel once again today, where we uncover the forgotten truths of the earth, all of the beauty of the natural world. Imagine the brutal dry seasons of tropical South Asia thousands of years ago. The sun beats down like a merciless hammer upon the cracked earth. Temperatures soar well past 100 degrees Fahrenheit, baking the soil into hardened clay. Every normal leafy green crumples and turns to dust under this intense solar radiation. Traditional agriculture collapses completely under the relentless punishing heat of the tropical summer. But the ancient farmers of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia did not starve. They did not rely on fragile crops that required constant pampering. They relied on a biological anomaly that defied the laws of agricultural logic. They cultivated a climbing vine with thick, fleshy leaves that actually thrives and accelerates its growth when the world is burning. They called it Malabar spinach. For thousands of years, this plant was the ultimate survival shield against famine and drought. It is deeply etched into the most ancient Ayurvedic medical texts known to humanity. Our ancestors did not just eat this vine to survive the blistering heat. They utilized it as a profound and potent medicine. Ayurveda recognized this cooling vine as a powerful tool to heal the gut and restore hydration to a depleted body. It was a staple food that grew aggressively over any fence, up any tree, and across any barren patch of dirt. It protected entire generations from starvation when every other food source withered away. The rural communities across Asia relied on its aggressive climbing nature to provide a permanent canopy of edible leaves. They traded the seeds across ancient spice roots, carrying the promise of endless summer food in small woven pouches. Yet today you know absolutely nothing about it. You were completely blinded to its existence by a modern food system that values profit over resilience. The modern educational and agricultural systems of today effectively erased this history from the Western mind. They deliberately replaced a bulletproof survival plant with fragile, weak crops that die very quickly the moment you forget to water them for a single day without any water. We traded our ancient ancestral self-reliance for absolute dependence on corporate grocery stores. We traded a plant that actually fights hard for its own survival and growth for a system that requires constant chemical intervention and an endless cycle of financial drain. The loss of this knowledge was not an accident. It was a systematic and deliberate replacement of indigenous survival skills with corporate consumerism. The farmers of antiquity understood this well, that true security comes from hardy plants that refuse to die even in drought. We have forgotten that profound and ancient ancestral wisdom, and we have surrendered our absolute food security to corporations, to the fragile supply chains of today, of the modern era we live in. Let us completely ignore the ancient folklore for a moment and look directly at the raw, undeniable scientific data surrounding this incredible vine. Modern nutritional science fully confirms what the ancestors knew. Through centuries of careful observation, when researchers analyze Malabar spinach, the numbers are absolutely staggering, and they completely shatter our modern dietary assumptions. This aggressive climbing vine completely crushes the expensive, delicate greens you buy wrapped in plastic. A single serving delivers massive, highly concentrated amounts of iron to rebuild your red blood cells and calcium to fortify your skeletal system. It is exploding with vitamin A to protect your vision and vitamin C to flood your immune system, with an antioxidant profile that rivals the most expensive artificial supplements on the market. But the real magic of this plant lies in its unique biological structure and the complex phytochemicals hidden within its leaves. Malabar spinach contains a highly specialized biological compound called mucilage. The modern diet industry might call this texture unfamiliar or strange, but it is a biological masterpiece engineered by nature. This mucilage acts as an incredibly powerful protective shield. For your entire gastrointestinal tract, when you consume these leaves, the mucilage coats the stomach lining, actively reducing ulcer inflammation, creating a protective barrier against harsh digestive acids. Furthermore, this gel-like substance acts as a supreme prebiotic. It travels through your digestive system and actively feeds bacteria. In your gut microbiome, it operates like a natural medicine, cleverly disguised as a simple backyard salad green. We spend billions of dollars every year on artificial probiotic pills and synthetic gut health supplements, while this plant provides a far superior natural alternative for free, beyond its digestive benefits. This plant possesses an unparalleled genetic mechanism. For extreme climate survival, it is truly nature's masterpiece, thriving where others fail, a testament to biological engineering. While ordinary commercial lettuce rapidly loses moisture and burns to a crisp under intense ultraviolet rays, Malabar spinach uses its thick, succulent leaves to lock in hydration exactly like a desert cactus. The leaves are coated in a microscopic waxy cuticle that prevents water from escaping even under solar radiation. It uses intense, blistering summer heat as fuel to accelerate its metabolic growth rate. The plant contains highly specialized heat shock proteins that protect its cellular integrity at high temperatures. When the air feels like a suffocating oven, this vine does not wither and die. Instead, it explodes into a massive, sprawling wall of edible emerald green leaves. Truly, it is a thermodynamic miracle that converts brutal solar energy into human nutrition. The plant utilizes an extremely efficient form of photosynthesis that allows it to conserve water while growing. This means it requires a mere fraction of the water that conventional commercial crops demand, while producing 10 times the usable organic biomass. Many conventional leafy greens like standard spinach contain high levels of oxalates which bind to calcium and iron, preventing your body from actually absorbing those crucial minerals. Malabar spinach provides a robust mineral profile that your body can actively metabolize and utilize for cellular repair. The thick, fleshy structure of the leaves also means they hold their physical integrity when cooked. You can drop them into a boiling soup or a sizzling stir-fry, and they will not disintegrate into a mushy paste like standard grocery store spinach. They retain a satisfying crunch and a mild citrusy pepper flavor that enhances any meal. This plant is quite literally the perfect superfood. Engineered by evolution for a rapidly warming planet, it solves the problem of summer food scarcity through sheer aggressive biological adaptation. It is a nutritional fortress that requires absolutely no artificial temperature control to thrive. The scientific reality is clear. We have been ignoring one of the most powerful, nutrient-dense survival crops on the face of the earth. Why is this invincible plant entirely missing from your local supermarket shelves today? The brutal truth comes down to pure unadulterated corporate economics. The modern grocery system is a multi-billion-dollar money machine, built entirely on the concept of forced fragility. Supermarkets make their massive fortunes selling you weak, pathetic crops, like iceberg lettuce and baby spinach. These fragile corporate plants require massive amounts of synthetic chemical fertilizers and highly toxic pesticides just to survive a few weeks in the dirt. More importantly, they require a massively expensive logistics network known as the cold chain. They need massive fleets of refrigerated diesel trucks to transport them thousands of miles across the country before they inevitably rot into unappetizing slime. This engineered fragility is not a simple accident of nature. It is a highly calculated business model that forces you to return to the store and buy them over and over again every single week. Malabar spinach breaks that entire financial model into a million pieces. It is a fierce botanical rebel that grows absolutely anywhere and aggressively refuses to die. A plant that you can cut today and harvest again tomorrow is a massive, terrifying threat to the corporate agricultural bottom line. Giant food corporations cannot sell a recurring monthly subscription model for a food source that nature provides entirely for free. They absolutely cannot patent a wild seed that climbs wildly over a broken backyard fence and feeds a large family for an entire summer. They deliberately buried this plant and erased it from your cookbooks because genuine food independence actively destroys their massive profit margins. The agricultural industry spends billions of dollars lobbying and marketing to ensure you only recognize the specific vegetables they can strictly control and endlessly monetize. They want you permanently trapped in a cycle of dependency, buying fading wilted greens that offer a mere fraction of the nutrition you actually need. They rely on your ignorance to maintain their massive wealth. Every time you buy a plastic box of wilting spring mix, you are funding a system that actively suppresses resilient ancient food sources. They convinced you that gardening is too hard, too time-consuming, and too vulnerable to summer heat. They created a problem and sold you the solution. If you want more videos like this, comment grow down below right now. Make sure you hit subscribe right now so you never miss another suppressed truth that the industry desperately wants to keep permanently hidden. We must break this cycle of dependency by returning to the unkillable plants of our ancestors. You have the immense power to reclaim this lost independence today, and the entire setup process takes exactly 5 minutes of your time. Forget absolutely everything you have been told about complicated, expensive home gardening. You do not need highly engineered artificial fertilizers, a massive sprawling backyard, or a master degree in botany. Go find an old plastic pot, a cracked 5-gallon bucket, or even a recycled plastic storage bin from your garage. Fill that container with the absolute cheapest basic potting dirt you can find at any local hardware store. Take a single Malabar spinach seed or a tiny stem cutting from a fellow grower, push that seed just beneath the surface of the dirt, and give it a generous splash of ordinary tap water. Then simply provide a basic piece of twine, a broken bamboo stick, or an old piece of fencing for the vine to grab onto. Place your bucket in the most punishing, blistering direct sun you can possibly find on your apartment balcony or concrete patio. Walk away and let millions of years of plant evolution take over the hard work. Within a matter of days, this unstoppable, aggressive vine will emerge from the soil, grab the string, and surge aggressively upward toward the sun. It will rapidly form a dense vertical wall of massive, glossy, heart-shaped leaves. Here's the ultimate secret weapon of this specific plant. It operates on a relentless cut and come again principle. Whenever you want a fresh, nutrient-dense salad for dinner, you simply walk outside and cut off a branch. Within a week, 2 more fresh branches will aggressively sprout from that exact same cut point. You harvest it today, and it mathematically multiplies its yield for tomorrow. It is a perpetual biological food engine that will feed your family relentlessly until the very first hard frost of winter. The leaves have a delightful, mild, citrusy pepper flavor that holds its incredible crunch. It requires absolutely zero tedious maintenance and zero toxic chemical sprays, and gives you a completely limitless harvest for the price of a single seed. You do not have to worry about watering it every day. You do not have to worry about erecting expensive shade structures. You just let the summer heat activate its genetic potential, and you reap the rewards of an endless harvest. This is the easiest, most foolproof method of generating massive amounts of fresh food right at your doorstep. Planting this aggressive climbing vine is no longer just a casual weekend gardening hobby. It is an act of profound and necessary rebellion against a fundamentally broken system. For decades, we have been systematically brainwashed to believe that human survival requires a barcode, a plastic bag, and a supermarket receipt. We have been expertly trained to fear the natural summer heat and completely depend on chemically sprayed produce that rapidly degrades in nutritional value every single second it sits on a store shelf. Growing Malabar spinach is your personal, unwavering declaration of independence. It is a firm rejection of a toxic, centralized food system that generates massive corporate wealth entirely off your engineered vulnerability. True ultimate freedom does not start in a voting booth. It begins right now in a cracked plastic bucket, sitting on a sunny concrete balcony. By planting this seed, you are taking back total control of your own physical health and your family food supply. You are actively reclaiming a forgotten, powerful piece of ancient human resilience that was deliberately stolen from you by corporate interests. The industrial agricultural system desperately wants you, dependent, weak, and constantly reaching for your wallet. But the earth desperately wants you free, self-reliant, and completely thriving. Do not let this vital, life-saving knowledge vanish back into the dark shadows of history. Share this video right now with absolutely anyone who is tired of paying premium, outrageous prices for dying, flavorless vegetables. Hit the like button immediately to help us violently break through the algorithmic suppression and spread this buried agricultural knowledge to the millions of people who desperately need to hear it today. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and join our rapidly growing community of independent growers who refuse to be controlled. I will see you in the garden.